Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Chevrolet Tahoe. First, let's cover the most straightforward approaches. If you have a spare key, that's always the easiest solution. Alternatively, your remote key fob might still work, even if the battery is low, so try pressing the unlock button multiple times. We'll also discuss what to do if these simple methods aren't an option for you. If you're locked out without a spare key, a Slim Jim or a wedge tool can sometimes help. Insert the wedge to create a small gap, then use a long reach tool to press the unlock button or pull the handle. However, this method carries risks of damaging your vehicle's wiring or paint. For a safer approach, contacting a professional locksmith is highly recommended to prevent costly repairs. For many Chevrolet Tahoe owners, OnStar offers a convenient remote unlocking service. If you have an active subscription, simply call them and they can remotely unlock your doors. Another excellent preventative measure is to always have a spare key. Store it securely, perhaps with a trusted friend or in a magnetic key holder. If your original fob is lost, programming a new one is a straightforward process at a dealership. To avoid future lockouts, always make it a habit to check for your keys before closing the door. Consider investing in a magnetic key holder that can be discreetly placed on your vehicle for emergencies. These small steps can save you a lot of hassle. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying prepared and hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.